This is Jeff Quest on board the Aquafibre Ideal 40, and it is ideal. Lovely boat, good decking. This is currently on the aft deck, which is above the aft cabin. Absolutely lovely amount of room, to a couple of seats, a table. Very nice too, looking down towards the saloon coach roof. Stepping off now, so bear with me. Good access to the stern and reasonably large side deck to manoeuvre upwards. Looking at the starboard side at the moment. Unfortunately I'm unable to get any further up this side because of no walkway. Moving round now to the port side, and again it is a rather nice boat, very spacious, and has to be fair on a day like this with the windows open, companionways open and that roof open. I would imagine it's very, very breezy and airy, quite a comfortable boat. If you need to know any more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshednorfolk.com, and many thanks for watching.